Hey guys, this is Mitali here and welcome back to my channel Glamon with me. So guys, today I'll be reviewing this product and this is the Stay Quirky Badass Liquid Eyeliner. So I'll show you, wait. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. So today I'll do a complete review about this product. So if you want to know more about this product, then keep on watching the video.
So the name of the product is Stay Quirky Badass Eyeliner. Like the name is really like kick-ass, badass, everything. So the name is quite interesting and yeah, a kind of a new generation name. So I quite like the name. And it says look too glam to give a damn. Nice.
It comes with a black cardboard packaging like this. So this retails for 175 rupees, the actual MRP, but I don't think I paid 175 bucks. I think I paid around 150 bucks for this. Yeah, because on purple.com there is a sale every day, like you get certain amount of discounts every day on purple.com, so you can check their site as you get 5 ml of quantity, which is a decent amount, and my shade is a badass black 01, not 01, only 1.
This was all about the outer packaging, and from the outer packaging I'm quite impressed, guys. So let's see the inner packaging.
So guys, this is how the inner packaging looks like, quite sleek, and it's a black matte color packaging. It says SQ Stay Quirky Eyeliner. Just see the tip of this eyeliner. Oh my god, it's so fine, and I'm gonna swatch it right here. Can you see the swatch? Oh my god, it's lovely. You can make precise lines out of this. You can also draw a thick line with this. Like it's jet black and quite amazing. I liked it. Let it set for a few minutes and then I'll do a smudge proof test. Oh my god, this is actually a kind of set. This one. Oh my god, it's already set. Just
see this little finger. I'm gonna do a smudge proof test. Can you see that? Oh my god, it sets quickly. I was talking to you all guys and just see it set. It's set. Oh my god. It's set.
so this is a waterproof eyeliner. So let me do a waterproof test. So I have here my spray bottle and here is our eyeliner. So I'm gonna spray water on it like this much. 3 spray of water. Oh my god. And first let's see it melts or not. It's not melting like other eyeliner melts. So now I'm gonna do the smudge proof test. OMG, it's not getting smudged. I'm pressing really hard. Nothing, like guys, nothing. I can't see anything. And I'll also drag it like this. Can you see that? No product. So yeah guys, I can definitely say that it is a waterproof and a smudge proof eyeliner. So guys, if I want to rate this product out of 5 stars, I'll give it 5 out of 5. I'm loving it because there is no such point. Like packaging is really amazing. You're getting product quality, everything. So with this, I finish my today's review video on the Stay Quirky Badass Liquid Eyeliner. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to hit on that like button. Do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and with your family, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. The link for the same will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that out and comment down below which product I should review. So yeah, that's all for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.